and now live in the precarious days of the hydrogen bomb.
Our situation is precarious. You know the money's
You're in a precarious situation.
There are 8 million lives that are precarious at best.
New Zealand.
Careful, madam.
The situation is said to be increasingly precarious.
Reason other than this precarious theory.
So alive, so unaware of how precarious.
As to the precariousness of your situation.
In a very precarious balance, and when buildings start blowing up, people's priorities tend to change.
Through 2 terrible wars, and now live in the precarious days of the hydrogen bomb. Understand the need to build a last...
Bleed. This is not a game. Our situation is precarious. You know the money's gone.
Of course I know it's gone.
You're in a precarious situation, Mike. You're overextended.
Yeah.
Oh, is that what we're doing? Waiting for something actionable? I mean, there are 8 million lives that are precarious at best, so I say we widen the net to slightly suspicious and get some decent
I take exception to that.
New Zealand.
Careful, madam.
Not anywhere near...
Precarious.
Where, in the words of the UNICEF representative in Bangkok, the situation is said to be increasingly precarious. Reports from travelers arriving in Thailand from Cambodia.
Out the herd. You start slaughtering people for no reason other than this precarious theory. You will provoke the very thing you say you wish to avoid.
So young, so alive, so unaware of how precarious life can be.
Howard is simply trying to enlighten you as to the precariousness of your situation. You are perfectly at liberty to take the matter.
Order and freedom have always existed in a very precarious balance, and when buildings start blowing up, people's priorities tend to change.
He's got a point there, sweetie.
Bobby!
Refusing to grasp the realities of how precarious our position is. Our entire army is about to...
Decided to reward various volunteers who work for some quite precariously financed charities. Some brought deserving children from the poorhouse. Others...
It's a great wait after 20 mile. Your precarious pegs won't last if you turn yourselves into pack mules. And only one leg to a pant, if you please.
King is a precarious business these days. Where's the Russian Tsar? Where's Cousin Wilhelm?
You're being... Blake, he upheld family and tradition. This was a world balanced so precariously that its harmony could be shattered by a whisper.